Is a 2 GB graphics card enough for video editing? A 2 GB graphics card is quite limited for video editing, especially for modern software like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut Pro. While it may handle basic editing with 1080p footage, it will struggle with 4K video editing, heavy effects, color grading, and rendering. AI-based enhancements and motion graphics will also be slow or may not work properly. For smooth performance, a 4 GB GPU minimum is recommended, while 8 GB or more is ideal for professional work. GPUs like NVIDIA GTX 1650 4GB, RTX 3060 12 GB, or AMD RX 6600 8GB are good options. Upgrading to a better GPU will significantly improve editing speed and efficiency.